Good morning, Liam.
Good morning, Zara. Did you sleep well?
Yes, I did. Are you ready for our big adventure today?
Yes, but I don't know where we're going.
It's a surprise. First, we need breakfast. Do you have toast?
Yes, I have bread, butter, and jam. Do you want some?
Yes, please. I like strawberry jam.
Here you go. Do you want tea or juice?
Juice, please. Orange juice.
Okay, here's your juice.
Thank you. After breakfast, we go to the park.
Great. I love the park. Look, a dog is playing with a ball.
Oh, it's so cute. Do you like dogs?
Yes, I want a dog one day.
Me too. But my apartment is small.
Maybe we can visit a dog park later.
Good idea. Let's sit on that bench. Do you see the flowers? They're red and yellow.
Yes, and there are butterflies.
This is nice. I feel happy here.
Me too. Wow, it smells delicious in here.
Yes, my favorite place in the city.
Hello. What would you like today?
Hi, I'd like 2 chocolate cookies, please.
And 1 croissant, please.
Anything to drink?
Yes, 2 apple juices, please.
That's $7, please.
Here you go.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you.
This cookie is so sweet.
I know. Best cookies in town. The bus is here. Quick.
Okay, do you have your bus pass?
Yes. Look. Green pass for students.
Good. I have mine too. Look, that building is very tall.
Yes, that's the city library. We'll go there next.
Oh, is it big?
Very big. Thousands of books.
Do they have books in English?
Yes. Easy books for learners like us.
Next stop, Central Library.
That's us. Let's go.
It's so quiet.
Yes, we must be quiet.
Where are the English books?
Over here. Section B. Easy readers.
Look, the happy cat. I like cats.
And here's Space Friends, my favorite.
Can we read together?
Yes. Let's sit at that table.
This cat drinks milk every morning.
Cute. My book says, "The moon is far away."
Libraries are cool.
Yes. Free books, quiet place, nice chairs. We need food for dinner.
Okay, what do we need?
List. Apples, bananas, milk, eggs, bread, and cheese.
I see the apples, red and green.
Take 6, please.
Okay, bananas are here too.
Good. Now milk is in the cold section.
There are many kinds of milk.
We need the white one, regular milk.
Got it. Eggs are next to the milk.
Perfect. Now, cheese. Cheddar or mozzarella?
Cheddar. It's yellow and tasty.
Yes. Great choice.
Shopping is fun with you.
Here you go. Menu is on the table.
Everything looks good.
I want hot chocolate and a blueberry muffin.
I'll have the same.
2 hot chocolates and 2 muffins. Coming soon. Here you are.
Thank you.
This hot chocolate is warm and sweet.
And the muffin is soft.
Do you come to cafes often?
Sometimes. But I like this one best.
Me too. Maybe we come here again.
Wow. So many animals.
Look, kittens are sleeping in that box.
Can we pet them?
Yes, gently.
So soft.
I like the puppies more. That brown one is funny.
And look, colorful fish. Red, blue, yellow.
Do you want a pet, Liam?
Yes, but my mom says not now.
Maybe for your birthday.
Hope so.
My favorite place. Ice cream time.
Yay! I'm excited.
Hello. What flavors do you like?
I like chocolate and vanilla.
I want strawberry and mango. Cup or cone?
Cone, please.
Cup for me. 2 ice creams. 1 chocolate vanilla cone. 1 strawberry mango cup. $6.
Here you go.
Mango ice cream is sweet and cold.
My cone is crunchy.
Best cart of the day.
Almost, but I liked the park too.
What a long, fun day.
Yes, we went to 10 places.
Let's count. Home, park, bakery, bus, library, supermarket, cafe, pet store, ice cream shop, and home again.
10. I'm tired but happy.
Me too. My favorite was the library.
Mine was the pet store. That kitten.
Tomorrow, we can draw pictures of our day.
Good idea. I'll draw the ice cream.
And I'll draw the bus.
Good night, Zara.
Good night, Liam. Sweet dreams.